Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a super quick easy set using some of the products out of my Last Born Pretty PR. So this is the Milky White Quick Extension Gel, which is like a builder in a bottle, and it's got these beautiful gold flakes running through it, and the colour of this one is SGE01 and it's milky white. So I'm going to be doing a natural gel overlay today. As you can see, I've pulled out my new Aliexpress hand. What do you think? I need a name for this one, guys, if anyone has any suggestions. So I've applied a full coat of that on the pointer fingernail, a nice thin coat. Now on the ring fingernail, I'm going to do the left hand half of the nail. Then once that's all applied, I shall pop those in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm applying a base coat to the right hand half of this nail. And I'm not going to cure that base coat, because into that I'm going to sprinkle some gold metallic fine glitter. I'm also going to do a coat of this base coat on the middle and pinky nails as well. On the pinky and middle nail, guys, I want to do like a glitter peekaboo design. You know, where you put glitter in the cuticle area. So I've pulled out an old brush and I'm just dabbing that glitter into that uncured base coat. So like I said, I want there to be a little bit of glitter in the cuticle area of this nail and the pinky nail. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to fill that whole right hand side with the glitter. And to tie it in with the gold flakies out of that white gel, I did add a few little bits of gold leaf into that fine gold glitter, but I've done it off camera, guys, because it was ever so fiddly. So I've cured that glitter all in place. I'm now going in with an old base coat, what I use when I am going over glitters, and I'm just going to do a coat of that on the middle and the pinky nail. Then I'll cure them in lamp for 30 seconds, and that will just seal in all that glitter, because I don't want to get glitter in my gel polish. Now I'm using Born Pretty's Jelly Thermal Gel colour JTG03. This is a beautiful colour, and I knew the minute I saw this product, I thought this is going to be perfect to do peekaboo nails. So I'm going to apply that to the middle nail and the pinky nail, and you'll see I'm going in a little bit thicker towards the tip, but as I'm coming up towards the glitter in the cuticle area, I'm kind of thinning it off a little bit so you can still see that glitter. Then I'll cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. I did do a second coat of that off camera, guys, but wait until you see these come out the lamp. Look at those. So when they're warm, they go really nice milky white. So they match this milky white gel perfect. I love these nails. So I'm just going in with another coat again of that milky white extension gel on the pointer finger. And then I shall give that a cure for 60 seconds. I'm just building up a little bit of an apex here. That's all I'm trying to do. And then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. And then I did give that a file and a buff off camera to shape it and make it all nice and smooth for top coat. Now I am sticking this Chanel sticker down the middle of the ring finger. But I didn't like that the Chanel was clear. I wanted the Chanel writing to be gold. So I thought, why not make things awkward and stick the Chanel gold stickers over the top of the clear. So that's what I'm doing here. So now they're all ready for top coat, guys. So I'm using the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. This top coat is my favourite top coat I've ever tried, guys. It's stain resistant, scratch resistant. It lasts shiny for a long, long time. It wears really, really well and applies really nice as well. You'll see also off camera I did apply 2 Chanel metal slices on the pinky and the middle finger. I just stuck them into that tacky layer of that jelly gel polish, and then I'm going to seal them in with this top coat. And that is what they look like all done. Can you see how, you can see it better on that middle now, how that thermal jelly gel goes like a milky white. I really like that. I love that jelly gel. Really quick, easy, simple, but still really, really pretty. I like them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'll leave the links for everything that I've used today in my description box below, guys, along with my discount code, which is GG10. So remember to use that at checkout to save yourself 10% off. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.